Hi everyone, as the world is in a rush to go green, I present to you this. This is an estate in Joska Kangundo Road and the estate is exactly 1 kilometer from the tarmac. The estate contains only 10 units of 3-bedroom flat-roofed bungalows with a print area of 140 square meters. The price of each unit is 6 million. And as you can see, each unit is built on a 50 by 100 lot. Each unit comes with a 3-car parking like this one, and on my right hand side you have the front yard that extends to the back of the unit where you have the stairs that leads you to the roof deck. Before I show you inside, I want to show you something very special. I like how the developer has worked on the design of this unit. This space is set aside for your gazebo, and the space is big enough for your whole family to come here and enjoy the morning sunshine. That's very interesting. Far from the colors, I want to take everyone inside. And as I do so, I want all of you to enjoy the awesomeness of this grand foyer. The entrance is here. From here, I'm fascinated by the size of this living room. Its beauty has been complemented by the metal casement door and these 2 windows, and in combination, they give you maximum natural light. Assuming that is not enough, this room comes with a very good lighting system that makes this home go party mode at night. Just have a look. You have the side lights and you have the center light. Tell me you are not in love. It's perfect. From the living room, this is the dining area of this home. And the area is big enough to fit a dining set of 6 to 8 people. This dining area comes with this floor to ceiling window that feeds you with fresh air as you feed yourself. This dining area also comes with a wash basin, and up here you have this interesting light fixture. Next to me, you have the kitchen of this home. It's an open kitchen and it comes with a double sink that is next to the window for easy washing and rinsing of your utensils. Next to me, you have this section that is set aside for your cooking stove and your hood. And the only reason why it is not fitted yet is that the developer is waiting for you to make a choice among the varieties they have. This kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets. And as you can see, the kitchen comes with dark granite all over. I also like the alternating white and gray colors of these drawers. Just have a look. Very interesting and very beautiful. The aesthetic is perfect. On the opposite side, you have this space that's set aside for your refrigerator. And next to me, you have the pantry of this home. Just come. This pantry is of an average size and it comes partially sectioned. This other side, you can partition them according to your preferences. Let me show you the laundry area and later I'll show you the bedroom areas. This is the laundry area and it has this big space that is enough for your washer and dryer. This is my means of transport, so when you see me on the road, make sure you say hi, okay? These stairs take you up to the roof deck. I'll show you that later. Let's get back inside. From the kitchen, we are at the center of the unit. On my left-hand wing, you have the 2 kids' bedrooms. The right-hand wing is set aside for the primary bedroom only and nothing else. I'm very sure you love that. Let's start with the kids' bedroom. Wow. This is the first bedroom and I like how it's done. I like the color of the closets, and behind me you have the washroom of this bedroom. I'll show you the closets. This side comes with a sectioned part and you have an extra storage up there. This space is just similar, but it comes with 2 drawers down here. This last part is fully sectioned, maybe for your affordable clothes or maybe your shoes. Behind me, you have the window of this room, and as you can see, big enough to give you enough light. I'll show you the washroom. The washroom of this room comes with a water closet on this side and a wash basin on this other side. The wash basin is behind the door. I'll show you the second bedroom. The second bedroom is of the exact size as the first one, and it comes with a bigger closet on this side and the washroom on the other side. As you can see, this is a floor to ceiling closet, and it comes with a sectioned part here, a normal section here for your suits, and another sectioned part here. The closet also comes with 2 drawers here, and next to me is the bathroom of this room. Just come. This bathroom is exactly the same size as the one in the first bedroom, and it comes with its water closet on this side, a tissue holder, and on this other side you have your wash basin. The bathroom comes with all the other showering amenities, and from here I'll show you the primary bedroom. From the first wing, please join me as I show you the second and the final wing. In here, we have the bedroom on my right hand side, the walk-in closet at the center here, and the bathroom on the far left. Wow! The primary bedroom is big enough to fit a king size or a queen size bed. Is there a difference? Please Google that for me. The space is roomy enough such that you can even fit a bedroom TV here. That's why this room comes with intercom connected. The bedroom comes with these 2 side lights, and on the other side we have an extra 2 just to increase your mood as you're having a private time with your partner. From here, I'll take you to the walk-in closet. From the sleeping area, this is the walk-in closet. And as you can see, it comes with a dresser here for your wife, and it comes with a big picture window that gives you maximum light as you're dressing. On this opposite side, you have a sectioned part for your foldable clothes, and on my right hand side, you have a section that is set aside for your suits. Down there, you can keep your shoes. From here, I'll take you to the master bathroom. The master bathroom is big enough for you and your partner, and it comes with a wash basin here, a water closet here, a tissue holder, and this space is set aside for your bathtub. This bathroom comes with all the basic necessities, and from here I'll take you to the roof deck. I want you to enjoy the views. They are splendid. The roof deck can be accessed from the kitchen, and also there is a pathway on the right side of this unit. Okay, follow me up. The roof deck covers an area of 130 square meters, and as you can see, it comes with terrazzo floors. This roof deck can be used for your private meetings, or you can do your parties here, or maybe you can do a barbecue for your family. This roof deck comes with a 2,500 water tanks that is sufficient for the whole family. The roof deck comes with this area that is set aside for your DSTV and all the other internet connections. From there, you can see the views that I'm enjoying from this roof deck. I think you can use it to stalk your neighbors. That's all for this roof deck, and that's all for this estate. If you need to purchase a unit with us, get our number from the first comment down here. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down,